Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download MitID application on your Android phone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Play Store. Now once you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in MitID and search. Look for this application and then tap on the install button to begin downloading the application. Wait until the app is downloaded and installed, which will take a few minutes. Once the app is downloaded, tap on the open button to open the application. So that's how you can easily download MitID application on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video like this. Thank you for watching.